Ever wondered how you can check your Telegram messages without letting the other person know you've seen them? Maybe you need to peek at a message discreetly, or you just want some time to think about your reply before marking it read. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you 3 smart and simple ways to view Telegram messages completely unnoticed, whether you're on iPhone, Android, or even your computer. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to catch up on your chats without triggering those blue ticks, and you can use whichever method feels right for your situation. Let's dive right in with the classic peek or preview method. This is a super handy trick available on both iOS and Android devices. The idea here is to read new messages from your notification shade or within the Telegram app without actually opening the chat window, so Telegram doesn't register your message as seen if you're using iPhone. You want to wait for the Telegram notification to pop up, either on your lock screen notification center or even in the chat list if the app is open but the chat itself hasn't been selected yet. Now don't just tap the notification, instead give it a long press, or if your device has 3D touch, press firmly. This brings up a pop-up window showing the full preview of the message. You can read every word, scroll if needed, and once you let go, that message remains officially unread in the app. The sender will have no clue you've peeked at their text. On Android, it's just as straightforward. When a new message buzzes in, pull down your phone's notification bar. Often you can read the whole message there. If it's a long message or there are several, look for a little arrow or just try dragging the notification with 2 fingers to expand it. This will reveal the rest of the content. Think of it like reading a postcard someone left on your doorstep without opening the front door. Just remember, this works best on fresh notifications, so if you've already swiped them away, you may have missed your window. Next up, let's talk about using airplane mode, which is like freezing time just long enough to read your messages unnoticed. The process takes a few more steps, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First, open up Telegram and make sure your latest messages have been loaded into the app, but crucially, do not open the specific chat you're curious about yet. You want the app to buffer the new messages silently in the background. Once you're sure, flip your device into airplane mode. This cuts off Wi-Fi and mobile data instantly, making it impossible for Telegram to tell anyone you're about to peek at their messages. Now you can open the chat and read everything at your own pace. Here, the key part: when you're done, don't just exit Telegram. Make sure you fully force close the app, swipe it away from your recent apps so it's not running in the background at all. After that, disable airplane mode and go back online. Because the app was closed before the connection resumed, Telegram won't update the server with a seen status, and the sender stays none the wiser. This method is rock solid, just remember to follow the order precisely. Finally, if you're using Telegram on a computer, there's a lesser-known trick with the desktop app. Here, Telegram won't mark messages as read just because you click into a chat, unless you actually scroll all the way to the bottom of the conversation, focusing on those new messages. So if you're curious, you can click on a chat and read as long as you don't scroll down to the very latest message. This isn't as reliable as our other methods, but it might just come in handy for a quick glance, kind of like sneaking a peek through a barely opened door. If you're wondering which method is best, here's a quick takeaway. For most people, using the peek or notification preview is the easiest and fastest, as long as you catch the notification in time. Airplane mode is pretty much foolproof, perfect for those times when discretion is absolutely essential, and our desktop workaround is a helpful bonus for computer users. I hope these strategies help you navigate your Telegram chats with a little more privacy and confidence. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or your own tips to add, leave a comment down below. I always love seeing your input. And for more helpful how-tos just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.